Hello guys, welcome back to NoFMJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about Doraemon. It all starts on a New Year's Day, when Doraemon suddenly appears from the drawer of Nobita's desk. Doraemon comes from the future, and is with Nobita's great-great-grandson, Sawashi. He has a problem with heavy debt caused by the bankruptcy of Nobita's company. Sawashi came from the 22nd century to see Nobita to change the future, and he brought Doraemon to look after him. Nobita is an unmotivated and lazy elementary school boy. He is often bullied by Jan, who is the boss of the kids. Jan has Sunio, a luck pusher, in tow. Doraemon has a four-dimensional pocket in his belly, and he takes out various secret gadgets to save Nobita in any crisis. But Nobita has a tendency to overuse the gadgets, which creates a backlash. He likes Shizuka, a kind-hearted girl. They may get married in the future. Every story has its own secret gadget, and it is said the total number of gadgets is over 2,000. Here are some popular gadgets that appear throughout the series several times. Take copter. Take means bamboo in Japanese, and copter comes from the word helicopter. If you put the take copter on your head, you can fly. Dokudemo door. It means any place door. It is a portable door that takes you to any places in the world you wish to go. Time machine. It is in the drawer of Nobita's desk. You can go either to the future or to the past. Copy robot. If you press its nose, you can make a copy of yourself. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.